Apple has just released the new iPhone 16 series. I got the 16 Pro Max with me, so let's just start to unpack it. I have the black color this time around. Last year I had the titanium natural color, and it is really beautiful. So what do we have in the box with it? We got the cable, some ejector tool here with it, and a user guide. Some people complain about that it's the first time that there is not any sticker included in the Pro models or the iPhone generally, and I was just surprised to find out that there were stickers in the box at all. So yeah, it was funny to find out this way. Yeah, got the beautiful finish on the sides here. It's a beautiful phone, and the main change of this phone this year around is the camera shutter button. Let's see how this will work. Last year we had the new action button, and I actually used the action button to start the camera. Now I have no idea what I use the action button for anymore, because I got the extra camera button here. But let's see, habits can change very quickly. Now let's take some pictures with the iPhone 16 Pro Max. We will start with a portrait with a main lens. You can see the picture is a little bit noisy. I don't have any other lights than the normal indoor lights on in this room this time. Let's check out the selfie camera. This here as well, we can see that there's quite some noise around me. Let's take a look at undertones, something that was announced during the presentation of the new iPhones. Here you can get a live preview while you change the tones of your picture. You just click up there on undertones, and then you can flip through the different tones, and you have this little touchpad on the side where you can fine-tune your selection. So I pick now the cozy one, play around a little bit here, and just check out how it will look. Took a picture, and there you get it. Now let's check out another undertone. Now we went to the stark black and white. Play around a little bit here. So it looks actually quite nice in my eyes. Fun little thing to play around with if you have the mood for this. And now a little comparison between the iPhone 16 Pro Max and the Pixel 9 Pro, taking selfie portraits here. Pixel has a big advantage over the iPhone when it comes to selfies. You can zoom out a bit, you can go to 0.7x and have a much bigger field of view, which is quite nice for selfies. And now in the end, a low light selfie. I turned off most of the lights in the room, so it was not complete darkness, and the first picture is taken without the screen as a flash. You can see also the quality is suffering. Now using the flash, it is a bit better, but overall still not a great shot. You can see there's a lot of noise, and also the details are missing. Just a little test sample, 4K 30 frames per second, recording with front-facing cameras. Just have the normal room lights on, nothing fancy here. And yeah, this is what you get. And now I'm using the main lens of the iPhone 16 Pro Max, recording in 4K and 30 frames per second. Just another sample. Later on I will make a proper camera comparison. The first phone I will compare to will be the Pixel 9 Pro XL. Stay tuned for this. If you like this video, leave a thumbs up. A sub to the channel would mean a lot to me, and we will hopefully see us in the next one.